How you doing today, guys? Welcome back to another day of 7th grade math. This is Mr. Gomez, your favorite teacher in the whole world. And today I'm gonna do 3 more examples on this worksheet. This is actually the worksheet that my students are gonna be working in class. So I'm gonna show them how to do this really quick. This is making predictions with theoretical probability. Before we start, please consider subscribing. If you wanna support this channel, link down in the description. And if you haven't seen my other channel, right here, MTV Alex, please do so and subscribe to that one as well. I do mountain bike and DIY stuff. It's pretty fun. Now, I'm not gonna do the whole thing. I'm not gonna do 1 and 2 because that's really easy. It's just flipping a coin. I'm gonna do numbers 3 and 4. Why 3 and 4? Because these two are related. So you're gonna find, if you do number 1, you're gonna use that to do number 2. Number 3, you're gonna use it to do number 4. Number 5, you're gonna use it to do number 6, and 7, you're gonna use it to do number 8. Now, when you get to the second part, they're independent from each other. Okay? So I'm gonna do number 12 on the bottom. Now, I'm gonna do number 3. It says a spinner is divided evenly into 5 equal sections, labels 1 through 5. What is the probability of the spinner to land on a 3? Really simple. You have 5 choices. Only one of them is a 3. So it'll be 1 out of 5. And if you don't believe me, very good. You can always draw the spinner and label it. So you only have 1 3 out of the 5. Now we're going to use that. That's the probability of getting a 3 from a spinner label 1 through 5. We're going to use the probability to do number 4. We're going to make the prediction. If we're going to spin it 60 times, how many times can you expect the spinner to land on 3? So I know the probability is 1/5. You're going to do the equal sign, and we're going to do cross product. This is the total number of times that you're going to spin this. So this is part over total. So basically, you're going to put it in at the bottom. 60 goes at the bottom, and this is X. Now you can do 2 things right here. You can do cross products, or you can multiply something times 5 to get to 60. In this case, if you multiply 5 times 12, you get 60. So if you multiply the top times 12, you get your answer. Again, this is one way. The answer is going to be 12. And if you don't know how to do that, you can always do cross products. So you're going to have 5x equals to 60. Then you're going to divide by 5 on both sides. So x equals to 12. So if you spin the spinner 60 times, the spinner label 1 through 5, you can expect it 12 times to land on the number 3. That's what it means. And you're going to do the same thing for the other ones. Now, number 12. We're going to make the predictions based on the theoretical probability. So basically, we're going to have to find the probability and then make the prediction. So it's like doing 3 and 4 all in one problem, okay? So for all the bottom ones, 9, 10, 11, and 12, you're going to do it like that. You're going to find the probability and then do the cross products. Ron draws 16 cards from a deck of 52 cards. The deck is made up of cards of 4 different colors: red, blue, yellow, and green. How many cards drawn can Ron expect to be green? So, first thing you're going to know, if you have a deck of 52 cards, 4 different colors, 52 divided by 4, that is going to be 13 cards. 13 of each color. So that means that we have 13 green. So 13 out of the 52 are green. So that is the probability of getting a green card out of the deck, 1/4. How do I know it's 1/4? Because 52 divided by 13 gives you 1/4. Now, the probability of getting green is 1/4, right? Now, if you're going to do this 16 times, if you're gonna do this 16 times, the probability of getting a green one is 1/4. You're gonna put an X right there, okay? You're gonna put in an X right there. So all you gotta do is 4x equals to 16, divide by 4, divide by 4, so x equals to 4. So if you draw 16 cards from the deck of 52 cards, you can expect 4 of them to be green. Again, the trick right here is knowing how many cards of each color in the deck, and you do that by dividing by 4. 52 cards, because he has the same number of cards for each color, so you use divide by 4, and that is 13. So 13 out of 52 is 1/4. 1/4 of the cards are green, 1/4. And then you're gonna pull out 16 cards, so that's the total right there. And then you do cross products. And that's how you do this. So I hope that you learned something today, guys. If you haven't, please consider subscribing. If you had a question about any of these problems, leave them down in the comments below, and I'll be happy to help you with those. Without further ado, that is it for this one, guys. And I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.